In this video, you will learn how to get your pay stubs from Amazon Flex. Open the Amazon Flex app. Launch the Amazon Flex app on your phone and log in using your credentials. Then go to your earnings section, tap on the menu or the three horizontal lines or on the profile. Then select earnings from the list options. View your payment history. In the earnings section, you will see a list of recent payments. Tap on any to view the details, including delivery blocks, amount earned, deposit info, download or screenshot. While Amazon Flex does not provide traditional pay stubs, you can still take a screenshot of each payment detail or use Amazon Flex Portal online to download the statement into a PDF. Use the Flex Portal. Go to Amazon Flex web portal on a browser for a more detailed summary where you can use your pay stubs for income verification. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.